Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I bring a shaver. That's right, I need a shaver for my face, my hair, my baldness. Now the model here is PT-BS07. We're gonna take a look at it and see how well it works, and we're gonna test it out. And I do have a couple of centimeters here, if you guys can see. I'm gonna try to see if I can trim this down, but first, yeah, I need to shave it a little bit off prior to using this, because this is for close shaving, not for thickness of hair. So just be aware, some of these blades get messed up if you try to do the thickness of hair. Let's open it up, see what you get. You get one box, you get two boxes. Wow, two different prices in here. So we're gonna open one up first, see what's in here. Box number one, it has the actual cover and the charging station and a little tiny little brush so you could clean it up, of course. And then they got different accessories on there. We're gonna go over it. This is a nose shaver, if you guys see, or an ear shaver too. So it's a little tiny one. This is perfect. This is what I actually need to trim some of the stuff down here. This is perfect. It comes with built in here. And not only that, they give you two plus the actual clips. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 clips, if you can see it. And we're gonna open it up. Let's go ahead and open this up on here. And this is the actual shaver I'm gonna need. So I'm gonna use everything in here. Instead of right now, currently what I have to do, I have another shaver, and then I have to actually have this type of shaver to trim it down, even baldness. So this is perfect when I have to rotate any other devices. And of course, this is a piece of resistance. This is the actual system itself. They give you a manual in there and how to clean it up too, because that's important too. Let's go ahead and open it up and look at the, oh my God, look at this golden shaver here, man. This is pretty awesome. Clean it up a little bit. And there's an on button here, and that's all you got to do. Right now, if you guys can see it, it tells you we're at 90%. 90% of charge. So off the bat, and let's see how to remove this. Oh, it just popped out. Just basically push it out towards you, and that's about it. We could add a different shaver, and there is no there's a little indication here on the top and the bottom, and you just pretty much, oh, that is cool. That is super cool. So remove that one. Let's open them all up. We got that one. Let's go put them on. This one right here is a little bit difficult. It doesn't have an extension or anything like that. So they pretty much give you a little tiny area here, and you put it this way. You guys can see facing up. Cut a little. I'm not going to do it here and make a mess, but look, you can actually feel it, hear it. Turn it off. And this part, I actually wanted one of these, to be honest with you. I'm not going to lie to you. This is perfect. Now, to charge it up is very simple. It's a different kind of connection here, if you guys can see. It's unique to this system, so just make sure that, well, actually it's not unique. A lot of shavers have the same connection, but it's a unique connection, and you basically plug it in here, and then your 5-volt connection that you have for your charging connection, USB, or your computer, you could charge it up. Now, a lot of people are getting these home plugs where they haven't built a USB. This is probably the reason why you need something like this in your bathroom, just to make sure it's working. Not bad idea if you guys like it. Once in a while, it's good to remove these. And these are stainless steel shavers in here, razors, of course. So it's for water resistance, like I said, you know, waterproof stuff like that. And you can wet this. Everything seems like it's nice and sealed. And not submerge it completely, but any kind of moisture or steam that should be able to resist that stuff. We're gonna put it to the use, of course, and make sure that everything's working properly. So let's go ahead and test it out. If you guys can see, it has all this hair here. We're gonna try to trim it down. I'm gonna try to trim everything down to the baldness, work with everything we have. Maybe trim the beard too, and see how well it works, because I do need this. I actually need this badly. So we're gonna go ahead and start the product. I'm gonna be able to trim my hair first. I think I'm gonna do it the opposite way. So we're gonna flip it. If you guys can see, I'm gonna flip it. And we're gonna go ahead and start. So here it is, the first one. Ooh, that's actually pretty good. Ooh, actually pretty good. continue the front. We're gonna continue in the front. If you guys can see it, I just had to stop it for a bit. Look at that, the difference from here to the thickness, right? And I'm gonna do half of it if I can. So I'm gonna show you the difference. You guys can see the difference. I trimmed it to this now, so it's not bad. Now we're gonna do the other side. Try to match it up. All right, we're gonna trim the bottom of the ear so I can shave it a little bit better. So we're gonna start in the bottom without anything. So we're gonna take off. Moment of truth. So I put some water and some liquid, of course, you know, your gel, your favorite gel. And then we start with the bad boy here. So this is supposed to be smoothing all around. So I also was gonna do some in the under, but we're gonna start with the top first. So get that nice smoothness on your head. So you ain't got hot burns. I recommend you put in water and gel. Let's clean the whole thing up and call it a day. Not bad, huh? Not bad, gentlemen. So the only thing I'm a little concerned, I don't know how long the blades are supposed to last. We're gonna take a look at them. And to clean them up, you have to do it manually. There's two. That's how you open it. You see that? Figure it out. You could clean them up. That's how you clean them out. You can remove the middle one too. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. All right, because like on the other version I have, you actually can open and see the blades. They have that bounce feeling, which I like about it. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. And now we have to just clean up the mess. That's all we gotta do. All right, so I try to clean up as much as I can, but it's not bad. I mean, the whole thing came out pretty good. It got every single hair underneath and everything. Not bad. Under the neck, baldness, everything's good. I check myself just to make sure that I don't have a patch of hair because it's hard when you're cleaning up yourself. So if you guys like this, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.